Dear students, today we are going to discuss another important topic, that is total quality management, popularly known as TQM. Total quality management or TQM. What is TQM or total quality management? Total quality management describes a management approach to long-term success through customer satisfaction or customer delight. So it's a kind of strategical approach on the part of the management to focus on long-term success based on customer satisfaction or customer delight. So in a TQM or total quality management, efforts of all members of an organization participate in improving process, products, service, and the culture in which they work. So here the members of the organization are participating to improve the process, product, service, and the culture in which they work. This is what happening in the case of total quality management. So TQM can be summarized as a management system for customer focused organization that involves all employees in continual improvement. So it uses strategy, data, and effective communications to integrate the quality discipline into the culture and activities of the organization. So it's a particular kind of strategy that we are using data and all efforts of the organization that focused on the overall development and effectiveness of the organization in a long-term basis. This is what we can say total quality management. So now let us see the primary elements of total quality management, or otherwise we can say the principles of total quality management. So the important principles of TQM are customer focused, number 2 total employee involvement, number 3 process centered, then 4 integrated system, then 5 strategic and systematic approach, 6 continual improvement, 7 fact based decision making, and finally communications or communication. These are the important elements, or otherwise we can say the principles of total quality management. Now let us see one by one. Number 1 is customer focused. This means that customer ultimately determines the level of quality. So an organization has to foster quality improvement through training employees, integrating quality into the design process, or upgrading the software. Especially in the case of technological level, we have to upgrade the software in order to improve the quality, efficiency, and training of the employees. Then only we can attain a long-term goal. And the customer determines whether the efforts were worthwhile. So whatever may be the training or the integrated quality or upgrading software that we are using, at the end of the this particular kind of TQM, that will determine, means the customer will determine whether the efforts were worthwhile or not, because TQM is customer focused. It means that we are focusing customer for customer satisfaction. Now customer satisfaction is replaced by a new term, customer delight. And number 2, total employee involvement. So all employees participate in working towards common goals. So total employee commitment can be obtained only when management has to provide the proper environment, means the proper work environment we have to provide, means the management have to provide proper work environment, then only almost all employees have to involve or participate in working towards the common goal. So high performance work system integrates continuous improvement efforts with normal business operation. So each and every person, if an organization or the management provide high working and high performed working condition, means suitable working condition to each and every employees, then we can attain the total quality management in the long term process. And third one, process centered. A fundamental part of TQM is a focus on process thinking. A process is a series of steps that take inputs from suppliers and transform them into outputs that are delivered to customers. So a fundamental part we can say it is process, TQM is process centered, means the output is transformed to, that means the input is transformed to output that must be suitable to the customers, and by using that particular product customer must be satisfied. So satisfaction is an essential part. So while we are taking into account the satisfaction, the process we have to design accordingly. The process are identified and the performance measures are continuously monitored. Means in order to satisfy the customers or obtain customer delight in the long term, the process must be designed and the performance measures are continuously monitored in order to detect unexpected variations. So that leads to defects of products. So we have to detect the unexpected variations of the process and the performance. Anyway, the basic idea behind TQM is process centered. This is the third element we can say. And fourth one is TQM is nothing but it is an integrated system. So business performance must be monitored and communicated continuously in order to obtain the long-term goal. So every organization has a unique work culture. While we are thinking about the working condition and culture of every organization, we can see that each and every organization has their own unique work culture or working conditions. Thus, an integrated system, what actually happening? Well, an integrated system attempt to improve and exceed the expectations of the customers, employees, and other stakeholders. So, in order to lift the expectations of the employees, customers, stakeholders, we have to set up an integrated system. So basically TQM is an integrated system. This is another important element or principle related with total quality management. And the fifth one is strategic and dynamic approach. A critical part of management of quality is the strategic and systematic approach to achieve an organization's vision, mission, and goals. So this process called strategic planning or strategic management. So strategic management is an important part of TQM. It includes the formulation of strategic plan that integrate quality as a core component. So we are concentrating the core component, that means the quality. On the basis of the quality, we are designing the plan, especially the strategic plan. This is the fifth one, strategic and systematic approach, a very critical part of total quality management. It includes strategic planning or strategic management, and the formulation of strategic plan or strategic activities is based on the core component, that is quality. This is the fifth element we can say in the case of total quality management. And sixth one is continual improvement. As a large aspect of TQM is continual process improvement. because management is not focusing a short-term objectives. They are concentrating a long run objectives of customer satisfaction or customer delight. So continual improvement derives an organization's analytical and creative in findings. So it provides a way to become more competitive and more effective at meeting stakeholders' expectations because they are the primary investors of the organization. So continual improvement, a large aspect, because almost all kinds of TQMs are concentrating on long run. That's why they are designing their strategic plan, strategic management, then process, etc., relating with long-term goals. So in order to attain that particular long-term goal, a continual improvement is essential. So another important element we can say continual improvement. Then another one, fact-based decision making. So in order to know how well an organization is performing, data on performance measures are necessary. So TQM requires that an organization continually collects and analyze data in order to improve decision making, accuracy, and allow prediction based on past history. So fact based, because we are means the TQM collecting previous data or historical data in order to find out, in order to derive a particular solution and decision. This is another important element of total quality management. And finally, communication or communications, the principle of total quality management, or another important element. The last one, not the least, communication. Effective communications plays an important role in times of organizational change as well as a part of day-to-day operations. So communication plays a large part in maintaining morale and in motivating employees at all levels. So communication involves strategies, methods, and timeliness. Effective communication in each and every element or each and every corner of TQM, communication is an essential part. Without communication, the integration and the attainment of the long-term objective is very crucial or critical. So effective communication plays an important role in the case of TQM. These are the important elements or principles of total quality management. Now let us see the benefits of total quality management. The first one is reduced cost and better cost management. Reduced cost and better cost management. It means that customers need their goods at a reduced price and high quality. So reduced cost and better cost management is one of the important benefits. Then improved customer focus and satisfaction can be attained by using total quality management. Another one, increased customer loyalty and retention. Customer can be retained to a large extent while we are using total quality management approach in the organization. Then increased job security, because the employees in the organization provide a clear-cut working atmosphere. This is why increased job security can be attained. Then improved employee morale. Another one, improved employee morale, because almost all employees are participating in total quality management. Then improved and innovative process in order to reduce the cost and the difficulties for producing a particular kind of service or a product. What actually happening, the total quality management TQM used improved and innovative process. This is why we can say another important benefits or advantage on the part of the management, we can say improved and innovative processes. Then another important benefits of total quality management, strengthened competitive position, because we are using latest technology and process strategies in order to retain the customers by providing sophisticated products, and by providing that product, customer must be satisfied. So strengthen the competitive position in order to compete the rivals. We are using advanced technology, advanced process, etc., etc. Then adaptability to change or emerging marketing conditions. Basically, TQM is a long-term process, and the market is not static. It is always changing because the taste and preference of the customers will change each and every nanoseconds. So it helps, means the organization, TQM helps the organization to adapt the changing situations of the emerging marketing condition. Then another important one we can say, high productivity and profitability can be attained. Then enhanced market image. Then finally the elimination of defects and wastage. These are the important benefits of total quality management. That's all for the class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.